So a lot of people ask about different questions about this wheel, so we'll try to explain a little bit more. So if you already have a third-party wheel, or your wheel already have the heater feature, then you can simply just swap the module in here. To make sure your existing harness here need to have this black connector, no, the blue connector. So let me remove it. This is for the heating feature. This is from the wheel itself. You need to have that, and also you need to have this connector. If you don't have this connector, you need to purchase this whole harness from us. Yeah, it's not expensive. Yeah, or you can just buy the whole module, whole assembly, and then you just simply swap out the wheel. But some people ask, can I not swap the wheel and just replace the module? Of course you can, but yeah, like I said, you need to make sure two things. That one is that you already have this connector from the steering wheel itself, that the steering wheel is supporting the heater feature, and you also have this connector from the existing harness to connect it to here. Then you can just swap out the module. Yeah, if you don't have this harness, you need to buy it from us. One more question people is asking is if they can just swap out everything without removing the wheel from the car. Yes and no. The answer is yes and no, because you will first need to remove this free thing from the car, but it's very difficult to remove it from the front. You will need to flip it to the back, and there are two tabs on each side. Yeah, you need to remove the tab from here, then it will be easy. But if you just simply pull it from the front side, you will damage the tab. You'll probably damage the tab, then it's not good to your car. So the answer is I don't recommend it. Yeah, of course, if you want to do it, you can try to pull out this free tab, and then just take out 4 T20 screws from here. Then you can remove this piece, and then you can swap out the module.